Hello, seasonal adventurers. Last time I was at a Sushi Jiro, this one actually in Doncaster, I didn't use it to its full potential in terms of using the sushi tray and conveyor belt, but I will this time. Yeah, as the dishes go by, I'll choose a few. Yep, that's tasty. Bit of a kick to it, like a bit of a peppery kick. Slow down, thank you. It's tasty, nice and airy, light. Yes, so this time I'm ravaged with hunger, so yeah, and having experienced this with Clement, a friend of mine who I caught up after 20 years of absence, yeah, I can see it's a great idea, obviously. You can eat it straight away and you can eat as much as you like. Obviously the more you eat, the more you pay, but it's alright. There's a bit of a gap here in the conveyor belt. There's some more items coming shortly. Yeah, I've just ordered a Coke as usual. Last time I was here by myself, I ordered a ramen style noodle. Yeah, I mean that was quick as well, but yeah, if you take it off the conveyor belt, you can have it immediately. Absolutely. This dish looks interesting. I've not had this before. Just going on visually eating with your eyes as well. I've got a feeling this is ginger, the pink, right? The pink stuff's ginger. But yeah, here we go. That's good. It's definitely my hunger pains have subsided. Just it's good they've got these little notifications, signs that say it's not plant powered. Pretty good for, I've got a couple of friends that are vegans. Little salads here. Even though they're small, they're quite filling. I think I'll just wait for the sushi as opposed to choosing a little salad bowl. Oh, that one looks interesting. It's got some onion on it, I believe. Definitely spoiled for choice. This one looks interesting too. I know these different colours of plates mean different prices, but that'll all be worked out at the end. I think I might have already had this. Yeah, this might have been the first dish I chose. Oh well. No problem for seconds. Yeah, I've had this one. See the same coloured border is the first plate at the bottom there. Oh, that's alright. It's good. Yum yum. Hey, I might make this my last one now. I mean, I'm just eating by myself. even when I was eating with Clement, we were just choosing our own dishes and not really sharing. So here we go, nice presentation. Soon to be consumed. Yep, that's done. 5 dishes are enough. Get at least, well, 1 dish per plate. Most of them, as you can see from the conveyor belt, have 2. Some have 1, but most of them have at least 2 choices. 2 servings. Yep, I'm no longer hungry. I'll just ask for the bill. I'll count out the plates. We're done. Life in our season of adventure is happy eating wherever you are.